GT Stoneworks, designed for the world around you.
Concrete stamping system, changing the way you see concrete. Concrete is often perceived as a dark, hard, and inflexible surface. We derive comfort in knowing that concrete provides us with a stable and durable surface, but needs another finish to make it more appealing. In the past, we used other mediums such as natural stones, tiles, and pavers to mask the dullness of concrete and provide an acceptable decorative finish. With the advent of beautiful colors, attractive profiles and textures, and mixed with our advanced proprietary ingredients to further densify and strengthen concrete, GT Stoneworks is pleased to offer our complete concrete stamping system. You are about to watch the installation process of GT Stoneworks concrete stamping system. Prepare all materials. Before proceeding to the actual installation process, you will need the following: cement, gravel, wire mesh, level or bowl float, color hardener, release agent, bristle brush, stamp tools, tamper tool, roller, polyethylene sheet, pressure wash, grinder, sponge, paintbrush or roller brush, and concrete sealer. Subgrade preparation and install reinforcements. Area soil must be compacted. This is to prevent settlement of the stamped concrete that will essentially rest on top of the compacted soil. Divide and tether off areas which are not concerned for concrete stamping. Install reinforcements such as a wire mesh which will support the stamped concrete. Preparation of area prior to cement topping. Apply water to the compacted soil area in order to reduce water absorption by the cement topping. Pouring of cement topping. Ensure cement is of the right consistency. Cement mixture should not be too dry nor too wet. Pouring of cement topping must be timely done and coincide with the stamping installation. It will be difficult to color the cement and impress the designs if the cement has already dried and hardened. Pour an adequate amount of 2 inches for pathways and 4 inches for driveways. Strike off and finish cement topping. Level the cement topping using a bowl float tool and to remove excess water. Application of color hardener. Determine the amount of color hardener needed for the project prior to broadcasting it onto the concrete. Apply the powdered color hardener by a shake or a toss of the powder done by hand and below knee level, as not to disperse the color hardener or powder by the passing wind. Bowl float the color hardener into the surface until the entire area is evenly colored. Should spots of dark concrete still appear after the bowl float, broadcasting can be repeated up to a maximum of 4 times. It is important that repeat broadcasts be closely monitored to ensure that surface color is even. Color is absorbed 3 to 5 millimeters into the concrete. Application of release agent and stamping of concrete. Also in powdered form, the release agent is applied with the use of a brush. Never trowel the release agent. Apply release agent to the back of the stamp tool to assist with the release of the stamp tool from the cement topping. Use 3 stamp tools and at least 3 persons minimum to assist with the impression of designs. Personnel will be tasked to move the stamp tools, retouch the imprints made, and to tamper or impress the stamping tool. Tampering of stamping tools must be monitored and completed efficiently to ensure that a full imprint has been made prior to the picking up and moving of the aforementioned. Concrete is then left to set for 10 days, covered by a waterproof material. It is imperative that the area be kept dry and not be stepped on for the entire duration. If necessary, tether off the area to prevent stray animals from stepping on the area. Once the concrete has cured, expansion joints can be placed with the use of a grinder in order to minimize random cracking. Removal of release agent. Wash and remove portions of the release agent after the 10-day curing period. First, use a brush to remove the overlying release agent, followed by a pressure washer to remove slightly embedded release agent. You can also use a sponge to remove any release agent from the grooves within the concrete. Application of concrete sealer. Make sure that the concrete is clean and dry before application of the sealer. 2 coats of concrete sealer should be efficient to create a uniform coverage and ensure maximum protection. A brush or roller brush is generally used for the application of the sealer. GT Stoneworks has other available products that are a solution to your finishing requirements. We are continuously developing products which can provide care, support, and beauty for all architectural applications because GT Stoneworks concrete stamping system will change the way you see concrete.